bombshell, guys. Asazi ukuthi storyline sakhe sisiphatheleni. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sally Live Chain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 9th to the 13th of June 2025 on Monday. Alfred finally uncovers the bitter truth behind Celia's reluctance to return to TERF. Evelyn's reason to celebrate raises concern for Sithoko on Tuesday. A familiar face returned to TERF after a lengthy disappearance. Mr. Homo's chaotic personal life once again disrupts his professional duties on Wednesday. The guest at the Mahongwa house is a ticking time bomb. Lehasa grapples with settling into his new position on Thursday. The Mahongwa house is turned into an emergency operating room. Salamina gets the shock of her life when she stepped into the Mahongwa house on Friday. Word spreads quickly about the return of TERF's problem child. Lehasa is conflicted when he has to discipline a member of his team in a gangster fashion. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.